Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Friday's Daily Financial Report.
The dollar-yen pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator's negative signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The Bitcoin-dollar pair exploded 1.1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold-dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.1% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair gained 2.3% in the last session after rising as much as 3.5% during the session. The RSI is giving a positive signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The S&P 500 hit a record high, boosted by gains in heavyweight technology and energy companies, as well as on hopes that the Federal Reserve will maintain an accommodative policy. Japanese financial conglomerate SBI Holdings Inc. is aiming to launch the country's first cryptocurrency fund by the end of November that can give individual investors a way to diversify their broader portfolio. The euro held near a one-month high versus the dollar and a six-week peak against the pound, supported by hawkish comments from ECB policymakers after data showed inflation at a decade high.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's Jibun Bank Services PMI will be released at 0:30 GMT. The U.S. non-farm payrolls at 12:30 GMT. The UK's Market Services PMI at 8:30 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. Japan's CFTC JPY NC net positions at 19:30 GMT. The US ISM Services PMI at 1400 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Friday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.